Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 198 East Lake Road on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
Enjoy your own private adventure retreat with over 2.5 scenic hillside acres and 200 feet of waterfront. So let's take a tour.
This is the epitome of charming updated lake living with a great room, featuring a white and bright kitchen with a breakfast bar and beautiful hardwood floors leading to a lakeview dining area and living area with cathedral wood ceilings and deck access, all with breathtaking lake views. The first floor also features a bedroom with hardwood floors and full bathroom, plus a private loft with an additional bedroom.
This walkout lower level is the perfect water view suite with a sitting area, a bathroom with a sauna, and a spacious bedroom with a private deck and scenic lake views.
Enjoy million-dollar views of Canandaigua Lake from this wraparound deck with multiple levels and entertainment areas, plus new underdecking to enjoy the outdoors, rain or shine.
To sweeten the deal, this property comes with a Kawasaki Mule for all your exploring and transportation needs. Enjoy easy waterfront access with your own private tram, leading to 200 feet of pristine Shell Beach, with an outbuilding for storage and an expansive dock with a boat hoist to enjoy the afternoon sun and beautiful sunsets. A different one each night, worthy of an artist's canvas. This waterfront property has a rare and premier location with great privacy on the east side of Canandaigua Lake. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 198 East Lake Road on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!